This is a Firebird database. It's not a document you read. It's a server file that needs a specific SQL manager to mount. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the manager tool you need. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical FDB data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. The structure of a FDB is primarily defined as a component of the database file standard. The data organization follows the portfolio catalog guidelines. The FDB file is a proprietary database format used by Extensis Portfolio asset management software. It contains the complete index and metadata for a user's digital asset collection, including keywords, categories, and file paths. Developed by Extensis, the format is a closed-source relational database. Its design focuses on efficient searching and indexing of external media files. The file is unusable without the Extensis Portfolio application, which is required to correctly query and access the indexed asset information. The FDB format has primary linkage to the Portfolio application by Extensis. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows gives only a surface-level look, so understanding the data requires proper DB tools. The first action is to find a compatible app. Right-click your FDB file and click Open with. Test Portfolio if available. If it is unavailable, choose another program. We need to find the specific decoder. If the FDB file still will not open, there is no need to stress. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, install Firebird Server. Install the Firebird Server software, as FDB files are proprietary to this database system. Next, use a query tool. Connect to the Firebird server using a query tool like dbeaver or FlameRobin to access the database through the server process. Finally, check connection string. Ensure the database. Connection string in your software correctly specifies the host, database path, user, sysba, and password. If no standard application could engage your FDB file, we must escalate to a specialized utility. Activating the universal fix is the best option to try for this file type. Skip the complexity. The one-click fix is File Magic. It's the fastest way to open your FDB file. Download it at filemagic.com. I truly appreciate your support. If you're happy with the result, hit the like and subscribe buttons quickly.